Hello there, and welcome to Insurance World TV, your go-to source for all things insurance. Have you ever wondered if your digital motor insurance certificate is valid? With Kenya's shift to digital motor vehicle insurance certificates, it's more important than ever to verify your certificate. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick and easy ways to ensure your certificate is valid. Because the last thing you want is to find out that your certificate is fake when you need it most. Stick around to learn how to protect yourself and your vehicle. In 2019, Kenya's insurance industry made a significant leap by introducing digital motor vehicle insurance certificates. Gone are the days of waiting for physical certificates to be printed and delivered. Now, you get your certificate instantly, sent straight to your email or even via WhatsApp in a PDF format. Convenient, right? But here's the thing. Just like with physical certificates, it's still crucial to make sure your digital certificate is valid. So, how do you do that? Let's break it down. Step 1. Get the verification app. First things first, you'll need the Aki Virtual Motor Insurance Certificate Verification app. It's easy to find. Just head to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or the iOS App Store if you're on an iPhone. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open the app and take a minute to register so you can use all its features. Step 2. Verify your certificate. Now, there are 2 ways to verify your certificate, and both are super simple. Option 1. Scan the QR code. Open the app on your phone. On the pop-up menu, select Verify Certificate, Motor Insurance. The app will activate your camera. All you need to do is point it at the QR code on your certificate. It's usually at the top. After scanning, a pop-up window will ask for your vehicle's registration number. Enter it, tap Verify, and voila! You'll get the results instantly. Option 2. Manual verification. Again, open the app on your phone. This time, from the pop-up menu, select Verify Certificate manually. On the next page, choose the reason why you're verifying. Whether it's for personal assurance, a traffic stop, or something else. Then, enter your certificate number along with either the registration number or the chassis number. Tap Verify and you'll see the status of your certificate. And what will you see? After you've verified, the app will tell you if your certificate is genuine, invalid, cancelled, or expired. Verifying your digital motor insurance